Oh.
Yeah, I see it.
It's right here. Right there. Right there. He's trying to go out now. He's going out.
Yeah.
Going out. Daddy, dance.
It needs a song so you can dance.
In the morning I rise and shine. I get out of bed and it's breakfast time. I hear the birds sing a morning song. Squeak.
James, don't do that.
See you?
I need to do what? Need to do what?
Bye.
I can't turn around! And no more. No
Are you
more.
falling off?
No, I'm not falling off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 14,
15.
14. This is a chain. Chain. This is a chain. Chain. This is a chain. Chain. This is the chain. Now push Mommy's hands on the chain.
Oh, on the chain. Just push on the chain. Okay.
Kids go really high.
Really high? That's true. All the kids, maybe all of each other go really high.
High. And keep going down. And keep jumping.
Yeah.
With me. You can jump with me.
Yeah.
Kids can jump with me for a minute.
Yeah, for a minute. Don't get too close to the edge. Be sure to kind of stay in the middle. There you go.
I need to play. I need to play in a minute.
Okay.
You did good. Ayla, here, come here. And I want you to get hit with the stick if it drops. Good hit. Good job.
One hit.
He's getting a running start. Okay, good job. Oh, maybe for it. Good hit.
Birds are moving. Okay, we're gonna make a hole.
Yeah.
Look, there's James. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. See with this? See, we're gonna put it right here. See? Oh, we need to clamp it though. Let me get a clamp, James, and then you can help Daddy make a hole. Yeah, let me get a clamp. And you can help make your tricycle. go. We're gonna clamp it somehow. Let's do this. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me get it straight. Okay, don't move it. Okay, let's go down. Okay, let's see. We gotta make sure it's all straight. It looks straight there.
I gotta hold it.
That looks straight, doesn't it? Does that look straight to you, James?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right. Okay, let's clamp it tight. Squeeze it. That looks straight. Okay. Okay, you want to help? Okay, we're going to turn it on. It's okay, it's not scary. See? It's not scary. Okay. You're doing it. Okay, here, stand up. Okay, get this one up here. There you go. And go down. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Some more. Let's see. Did we do it? We did it. I think. Let's make sure. Okay, don't touch it. Okay, now we turn it off. Right there. Push it down. Go down. You did it. Okay, let's see if we did it. Okay, you can sit back down. Okay, take the clamp off. Okay, let's see. Yep, I think you did it. Look at that. Look, you made a hole. You did that. See? You made a perfect hole in it. Okay, careful. We're going to vacuum that. Okay, we don't want to make a mess. Yep, see? Perfect hole. Look at that. Now we just got to drill the other hole that we drew on there. See, look, James. See? Perfect hole. It's right in line. See, James did that. And then we got to make another one. You want to make another one?
Yeah.
See, we got to do this one too. This one also needs a hole. Okay. See, we're going to put it on here.
Clamp.
Okay, and then we got to clamp it. That's right, we got to clamp it. Okay, we got to make it all straight. And tight. Okay, let's see if it's straight.
I'll turn it on.
Okay, hold on, not yet. Let's get it straight. Okay, let's see. We got to get it straight. Oh, it's a little off. That looks straight. That looks straight. Okay, let's clamp it.
I got
Okay, you turn it on. There you go. Okay, pull this down. Look, you're making a hole. Keep going. Go some more. Okay, you got it. That's good. Okay, now turn it off. Okay. Now we can take the clamp off. Ah, tight. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get the dust off. Oh no, we didn't go all the way through. Well, there's an easy way to fix that. Okay, let's put it back down in it like that. Okay, then we'll clamp it again. Okay, turn it back on. Okay, now go down some more. Keep going. Okay, you did it. Okay, stop. Okay, turn it off. Okay, take it off. Look, you did it. You made a perfect hole. Look at that. It's pretty close to right where it was drawn. It's a little off on that one, but that's okay. We're just gonna, doesn't have to be perfect on this one. Look at that. Look, you did both of them. You made holes. And that's what the drill press does. All right, good job. Look at the camera.
I could go outside.
Say, hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
You were gonna show it to Mommy. Okay, bye-bye. You wanna look in here and see?
Yeah?
See the lizard.
It's fast.
He's fast.
He's fast. He got fast. He's fast. He's fast. We found one too. I found one lizard too.
You found a lizard, yeah.
We found one.
Quack and a very big rock. One evening after supper, some kids visiting the playground began climbing on rocks. One of the rocks they stepped on began wiggling like a loose tooth. Eventually, it fell and rolled down the hill. Quack.